let's say I have a child with autism who does a lot of stuff in their head. Many times that happens, especially in some of the math and number areas. And so part of the plan that you have for this kid is this kiddo is the management plan for adults is going to be one problem, show your work. The rest of them, if the answers are correct, why are you pushing showing the work for 9 other problems? That's a decent management plan. And it can be done. The intervention for the kiddo is to get them to understand that showing your work for other people is really important for you to be able to show your expertise. And so they can't fight against that. So it's getting them to understand how important it is to show that work for that one problem. And that's an intervention for them. So you're saying, hey, listen, we know that you know the answer. We know that you could just give us the answer, but showing that one problem is going to help us to learn how you learn. And oftentimes that shifts it for them. And they're like, oh, okay, I'll show you one. And then we can move forward.